So, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Tell me about yourself.
So, I am Aljon Sadyang Abay, sir. I live in Barangay Kabuling, Tantangan. I am 19 years old, sir.
Why do you want to become a teacher?
So, first of all, sir, I want to become a teacher because I believe education has the power to shape students' futures. And I want to be part of that positive change po. And as a newly licensed Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in science teacher, I feel motivated to inspire curiosity and help students understand the world through science. And also, teaching gives me a sense of fulfillment, sir. And especially when I see students grow in confidence and knowledge.
Okay. What subject or grade do you enjoy teaching the most and why?
Okay, sir. Thank you for that question. I enjoy teaching science, especially in the junior high school level, sir. Because students at this stage are naturally curious and more open to exploring new ideas. Also, science allows me to use hands-on activities, experiments, and real-life examples that make learning enjoyable, sir. So, I love seeing students' reaction when they discover something new or finally understand a concept.
Okay. How do you keep students interested and engaged in your lesson?
Okay. I keep students engaged by using a mix of interactive strategies such as demonstrations, simple experiments, multimedia presentations, and group activities. I try to connect lessons to everyday life so they can see the relevance of what we are learning. I also encourage questions and discussions because students participate more when they feel involved and valued, sir.
Okay. How do you handle a student who is not paying attention?
Okay, sir. When a student is not paying attention, I address it calmly and respectfully po. I usually start with nonverbal cues and move closer to the student to help them refocus. If the behavior continues, I speak with them privately to understand what is distracting them and how can I support them better. So my goal is to guide them without embarrassing them in front of their classmates, sir.
Okay. What teaching style or approach in the classroom?
So my teaching style is mainly learner-centered and inquiry-based, sir. I like giving students opportunities to explore, ask questions, and work together. I combine discussions, hands-on activities, and visual aids to cater to different learning styles. I also work to create a positive and supportive atmosphere where students feel comfortable participating, making mistakes, and learning at their own pace.
Okay.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So, tell me about yourself.
My name is Joshua D. Oberio from Gawad Kalinga, Barangay New Iloilo, Tantangan, South Cotabato. I'm 18 years old.
So, what are your strengths?
My key strengths include strong analytical thinking, effective communication, and teamwork. I am highly organized, which allow me to manage multiple tasks efficiently. Additionally, I am a proactive in identifying solution and committed to delivering quality result under pressure.
So, my second question is, what makes you a good fit in this kind of role?
This role requires me someone who can balance strong technically ability with dependable support to staff that align perfectly with my background. I'm comfortably resolving day-to-day issues, but I also look ahead, spotting recurring problems, improving workflows, and recommending solutions that prevent downtime. I'm a proactive, reliable, and I drive an environment where both accuracy and communication matter.
So, why do you want this job?
Uh, I enjoy working in computer because every day offers new problem to solve and opportunities to make someone's work easier. This position aligned with the system I'm experienced with, and I appreciate the emphasis your team places on reliability and user support. I am excited about contributing to an environment where technology is treated as a foundation for the organization success.
So my last question is, where do you see yourself in 5 years, sir?
In 5 years, I see myself advancing into a more specialized or senior computer roles, system, administration network, support, or security. I want to continue expanding my skills, taking on large projects, and becoming someone that team relies on or guidance and higher level problem solving. Ultimately, I aim to grow within the organization while strengthening the computer infrastructure and using experience.